Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to do a FROHAWK. Woo, yeah! Get your Denman brush or the tangling brush. Get your brush for your edges. Get your rat tail comb. Get some strong hair ties. Get some gel for your edges. Get your spray bottle. Get your styling gel. And get your moisturizing cream. First, spray your hair with water if it's not already damp. Then get your moisturizing cream and add some to your hair. Now get your comb and part a section upwards near your ear. Do the same thing on the other side. Now get your styling gel and apply it to your hair to bring out curl definition. After that, brush out the section with your detangling brush. Now add some edge control gel and brush your edges on the sides and front of your head. After that, get a hair tie and tie that section up. So for the next section, part where the tip of your ear is. Don't forget to add styling gel, detangle, and gel your edges before putting it into the hair tie. Here's what the second section looks like. So on to the next section. I parted it so that it connected to the previous part, making it look like a point. Here's what it looks like. Now on to the next section. I parted it a little behind the ear. For the rest of the hair at the back, I parted it into 3 sections. You do as many sections based on how thick your hair is. Okay, so now I'm going to add some oil to the hair. Here's what my hair looks like after everything has shrunk up and dried. You can definitely see the purple on the top. Got my silver hoops in, got my Superman ring on, and I got my spike-studded bracelet. Here's my outfit, a black bodysuit with gray joggers. And that pretty much sums up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!